Today we have an amazing tour of this home in Westwood, and I can't wait to show you. Come on. Hey, Vet. Hey, Matthew. How are you doing?
Thank you for coming.
Yeah, thank you for having. Ooh, what's all this food? Look, yum.
3-item minimum. You guys have to eat lots of food. That's
Okay.
part of the
Okay. I hope you took all the calories out, right?
Of course.
Well, even tell a little bit about us, about the house.
Of course. So we're in Westwood Hills. This is a new construction, contemporary Spanish, gorgeous home. We have 5 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, beautiful indoor-outdoor flow, about 5149 square feet. This is my friend Matthew who did the staging.
I did the staging.
So tell us a little bit about your staging company.
Okay, well let me give you a tour. Let me show you.
All
what I
right.
did first. Okay, so we're in Westwood, right? So we put together Westwood furnishings that would appeal to this particular buyer. That of course would highlight some of the features that are in the home. So when we stage it, the stagings must always pay homage to what's going up. So we chose this particular table to feature what's going on with the ceiling here, which is a pretty specific feature I've never seen before, which I think is absolutely great.
Okay.
Right? We mix some of the art where you don't want just paintings, you want sculptural pieces that we frame and put on the wall as well.
You made this?
No.
Okay. I thought you were saying you made it.
I know. No, I didn't make this, but we do this all the time, where you can find found object or you can find wooden pieces and you can frame them in a shadow box, particularly with a linen back. So we take this and we do this with anything, any wood piece we find that we can frame. So
this is really cool. I mean, this is kind of a DIY kind of thing.
I think this is also helps break up the art experience in a home stage, because I think ultimately you want a fine balance between canvases, paintings, photography, and then also framed found object.
So this is like the kind of thing that, you know, why you need to hire a stager and interior decorator. So for me, right, I know I love restoration hardware. So I went to Restoration Hardware and I bought like $40,000 worth of furniture. But it doesn't fit well in my house. It doesn't like quite go as well as the showroom. So you were saying about like the bed and the nightstand. Could you explain that?
Well, most people make a mistake with scale.
Yeah,
Okay.
scale. That's
they
what
know
it's
what they
called.
want. You might have taste, but I can guarantee, unless you're working with a designer or a decorator, your end tables and your nightstands are not going to match the sides of your furniture or your master bed. So people realize they purchase sofas that are too big or their nightstands are too small. So what we do with whether we're decorating or home staging is we first determine what is scale appropriate. Right? Particularly in the master bedroom. Why don't I take you up to the master bedroom?
Okay, let's
Why don't
go.
I take you upstairs? We're going upstairs to bed.
Oh. I mean, you could at least buy me dinner.
There's another burlap we did. Boom.
Oh, I see.
Right?
Okay.
Like $3 coffee bags. And it's $1 million art.
Yeah.
$1
No,
million
I
art.
like this. I think I could even do it. And I'm not an artistic person.
And that could go anywhere.
Yeah, it really can.
Because LA and coffee. So this was a fun bedroom because here we brought in a restoration original bed. That's old school restoration.
Beautiful.
Well, I think the goal when you're staging a home is to try and make it look as real as possible.
Okay.
You don't want it to look like a showroom. You don't want it to even look like a magazine.
Yeah.
It's so impersonal. In here, there's a lot of details and a lot of touches. Like, for example, it's a traditional home, but we've got like skulls on the sheets.
Oh, that's so cute. Where'd you buy this? Do you remember?
No, I have no idea.
That is those are really cute sheets.
But here's a secret, and one secret is when you're doing a room, have fun with the sheets. Because you can sneak in a little story with this little bad boy.
Let's go check out the next room.
Sure. Okay. So we wanted something playful because this is a family market, right? So this is one of our.
I know. I always say guest room on my videos, and people were complaining. Well, where are the kids gonna go, Caroline? I'm like,
look.
oh, bedroom. I'm sorry.
Let me give you a secret about family markets.
Okay.
Okay. The 10-year-old girl is a deal killer.
Oh.
First of all, she does not want to leave her bedroom in her current home, and she will get in the way of a sale. Okay, so you have to make sure that when you're staging a home for any family market, that you stage a bedroom for a 10-year-old girl. Oh, because if you don't, it's not happening.
Yeah.
So what you want to do is you want to pull in, features again where it's like color tones and color palettes. Again, we got fun with the sheets, elephants, contemporary art. And then I found these in Palm Springs for like $10.
What? And
then
put a new
frame
frame?
them. Yeah.
Oh.
Throw a little Disney in here, throw a little jazz. If the 10-year-old girl walks in this bedroom and it falls in love with it, then we have a happy mom and we have a happy dad. Because if
I actually did get a sale because the little girl she was like 6 or something, and she fell in love with the house, and so they went ahead with the deal.
What's every mom's biggest fear? Being a bad mom. So you better make sure that your daughter.
You want to be a good mom.
The son is out there throwing rocks in the pool.
Yeah.
You know? So let's take you to the twins.
All right, let's go.
All right. After you.
Let's take a look at the restroom and closet.
They've mixed the black hardware and the chrome, which is very difficult to do, but they pulled it off. And then this tile that they've ran along the floor and ran up the wall is really quite special. I think someone's gonna love it.
Oh, nice! Look at all the space.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, I wish I had these growing up.
Oh, I know.
We love staging twin bedrooms.
Okay.
Based. Inside family markets, you should always try and stage a twin bedroom.
Okay.
Right? It gets more beds into the home. The more mattresses you see, the more expensive the home feels. Right?
Oh, I get, yes.
Yeah, more bedding, more upholstery, linens, you layer it out. That's what makes people fall in love with the warmth in a home. So and then again, another beautiful painting by Ethan Koch.
All right, and let's go take a look at the laundry room.
Super cute.
Yeah, I love it when the laundry room is upstairs. There are homes where the laundry room is downstairs. I'm like, where are most of the linens? They are upstairs, you know?
I love the tile.
Yeah, they did a really good job. And tons of storage. I mean, you could put, your whole life in here. Storage over here. Okay.
Yeah, you need upper storage, right? Because you do have linen in there, but still, things you can grab. I think most homes are not being built with enough storage.
I agree with you.
That's
that? Why I really concentrate on storage, because people like it and people want it.
Right. I think particularly when you have family and you have kids and things building up, you need places to put your stuff. This is our master. Right?
Wow.
Yeah.
Hello.
We wanted some drama in here.
And I love that you left this coffee cup here.
Yeah, just a little moment. Right.
Very cute. Look at the dressing room and the restroom.
Okay.
Can you imagine all your handbags, your shoes, your watches, like everything? Ooh.
And I think when designing,
I like these little shallow drawers. These are great for jewelry.
Yeah, 100%.
I love the smell. It's like fresh wood. Yes. Oh, this is beautiful.
This is great for jewelry, but also for a man to have his ties laid out.
Oh, I know. I'm thinking from my perspective.
No, I know.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Look at this. This must be the towel warmer.
Yep.
Yep, it's hot. They're warm. No, I'm just kidding. It's not on. So now we're back downstairs, but I have to show you guys this powder room because it's so beautiful. And they were saying how it was very hard to make because the illuminating light has to be perfect or else it looks like blotchy.
What's it made of?
Yvette,
Yvette.
It's on it.
It's on. Thank you so much.
Hold on.
It's on. There you go. There you go.
On it.
And then he's also actor / interior decorator. So this is an office here, and you could close all your billion-dollar deals in here. Right, and this is the outdoor space where you're gonna have some amazing barbecues and family time. And so I love this that the kitchen is right there. You have an outdoor dining space. You have obviously a barbecue pit. And there's chairs on the other side, so you can sit there, have a drink. You could grab your beers. And I guess you could put a guest in here.
Oh.
This is like a little, it has like a little air conditioning space. It's a little like pool house. So if you want a little shade, you can make it into a little guest room, a yoga room. I mean, sky's the limit. And last but not least, this is the final restroom. Hey guys, thank you so much for coming on our home tour today. We learned a lot with Matthew, a lot about staging, interior design, and how important that is. I just wanted to thank you guys so much for going on a tour with us today. We are currently looking for a buyer. The home is listed for $5,250,000 and it's in Westwood. If you would like to take a tour, please contact me at caroline.choi at sotheby'shomes.com. You can also check out my website at caroline.choigroup.com. And Jason, again, thank you so much for being my videographer. You did an amazing job. And if you have any questions, please contact me. If you guys have any questions or comments, put them in the comments down below, and we're gonna answer all your questions in the next video. Thank you so much, and I love you, and have a great day.